Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Deidre and of course it's New Music Friday. Well, Patoranking recruits Papcaan for a summer anthem tonight. Africa and Jamaica unite. Now, Nigerian superstar Patoranking is back with new music ahead of his anticipated album World Best. He released new music on Wednesday and enlisted the unruly boss Papcaan, who brought his electrifying energy to the track dubbed Tonight. Tonight is a catchy, eclectic track on an infectious beat that immediately compels you to hit the dance floor. Patoranking brought his melodic style, blending Afrobeat and Papcaan's witty dancehall lyrics.
I work so hard, you know I don't want no stress. Yeah, y'all them twerking, pull up with the Lambo swerving, SLG and rolling.
In an E Prime exclusive, the Nigerian star told us about the vibe of the track and shared how the collab came about.
It's just a song that sets the mood, that tells you what the night is saying, you know, without you saying a word. I'm a fan of his works, he's a fan of mine as well, and so we've been having conversations about putting things together, and we felt like when the time was right, definitely the song would be out. And for me, it was just a great feeling working with somebody I'm a fan of his work. Yeah, don't know, big shout out to Poppy.
He confirmed with E Prime that the feature track will be on his upcoming album, World Best.
It's a big one on the album, so that's one to look out for. Amazing features and good music, good music, always. I'm excited.
The king of R&B returns to Jamaica. Chris Brown headlines Bazaar Weekend in August. The multiple award-winning Grammy artist is set to take his Under the Influence tour to Jamaica on August 27 at the National Stadium. The R&B sensation is the headliner for Bazaar Weekend, which runs from August 25 to 27 and will see events hosted in the party capital, Kingston. The media launch was held this morning at AC Hotel, where promoter Ryan Burke informed the media of the event's happenings.
5 events over 3 days. One Bazaar Weekend. You got the up top boss, TJ, so it's gonna be, Drift Brown, right? We have Ding Dong, you just heard. Sean Kingston is gonna be, returning to Jamaica with Chris.
Now, Burke also spoke with E Prime after the launch, sharing that patrons highly requested Chris Brown to perform in Jamaica.
We've been doing a poll for some time now, and everybody's been saying, oh, it's Chris Brown, Chris Brown. Some have said some other artists, but for the majority, I would say 95% of people said that they wanted to sell their kidneys and their homes to come and see Chris Brown. So we said, Chris, we need you in Jamaica. Jamaica needs you. And he said, I need Jamaica.
Now, Chris Brown's last performance in Jamaica was at Reggae Sumfest back in 2010. It was memorable as he invited Elephant Man and Usher on stage to do a dance-off. Now, Bazaar Weekend is powered by View Live, J Upscale, and Solid Agency. Now remember guys, Sumfest kicks off this Sunday with a family-funded community fest at Catherine Hall Stadium. CEO of Sumfest, Joe Bogdanovich, told E Prime that ticket sales are already going well ahead of next week's events.
We're close to selling out on many things. Certainly the Lux Lounge.
That's it for E Prime this evening. Thank you for watching. See you at Sumfest.